man, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I mean, do you want to go to the hospital or what?
No, it's all good.
What happened?
Let me tell you. I was walking on the beach with some chips, admiring the tide. Felt as if something was watching me. It came from the sky and tore at my arm. I had no choice but to fight back.
No way, you're telling me that happened?
I'm telling you, it did.
Seriously?
Honest, it's true.
I really think you should see a doctor.
No, they asked too many questions.
Okay, man, if you say so.
I'm fine, it's fine.
Alright.